Hello guys, again welcome to my channel Mad AC. So in this tutorial I brought you an amazing trick but something different today. Today we are going to performing the fastest trick, but it's not actually the fastest trick, but actually you will get it. First let's hop on to the performance. So first of all, the spectator may choose whichever card he may like. Suppose the spectator stop right here, so I will take the spectator card just like this and lose it fairly in the middle, and if you want I may give a few cuts and shuffle to the card just like this. So the spectator card is lost completely in the middle. After this, what I am gonna do, I am gonna just ask the spectator, I will just spread the card out just like this and ask the spectator to show the spectator the card clearly, and I will ask the spectator to find their card as fast as possible. So here is a deck, go ahead, find your card. So do you remember your card? So just find from this card which your card is. Now the spectator is finding the card, and I even give you the upper hand because you are finding your card first. So the spectator is searching the card but he is not able to find it, but now it's my turn. So he go through all the cards throughout the deck, but now then also he or she is not able to find the card. So after this I came in and show that see, your card is right here on the deck box, sorry. So that's your card, 5 of hearts. So let's hop on to the tutorial how to perform this trick. So first of all, for this tutorial you need a deck of card and a box of card which have back something like this, but means similar to the card. So most often the boxes have this type of design only, but some box may vary. So first of all, you are gonna take the deck and ask the spectator choose whichever card he or she likes. So suppose they choose 5 of spades, so you can perform a classic pass or this way just like this and control the card to the top, or you can perform a double undercard, which is the easiest way. So I had made a tutorial on classic pass. If you wanna check out, that link is in the description, go check that out. So after this, what you are gonna do, so after this you are gonna palm the card. I had also top palm the card. So if you don't know how to palm a card, let me show you. So can you see this joint here, line? So your just card is always palm between this line and this cushion like area, which is the thumb, and here is this is how the card is palm. So how to top palm the card, so I will not gonna go into the detail because that's a very big topic, but it's very easy. Just push the card with that line I showed you with using your pinky finger, it will directly come in your hand. See, just this way. If you want a detailed explanation on this, I had made a tutorial on it, on 3 ways to palm a card: lateral palm, top palm and gambler's cop. So these are the 3 ways to palm a card. I had made a tutorial on it. I will also leave the link in the description below, so go check that out. So after this, what you wanna do is that ask the spectator, see, just now you had palmed the card, now you are say I placed the card directly on the box. That's what I did. So for this trick, the box should be placed in the middle, so there is a reason for you touching the card. So you are just gonna dish the card directly on the box and spread the card directly, dragging the spectator's attention directly toward the card. You are not gonna space out between this, you're just gonna drag the box from you and directly spread the card, so the attention of the spectator is directly at the card. So after this, what you are gonna do, you are gonna show the spectator their card after they don't find their card. So that's the trick. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace out.